scary. When demand's too high, there's nothing to purchase. Equilibrium. Surplus is maximized. Elastic curves are changing, coefficients wavering. When it is zero, it's so perfect. Supply, demand, they should work together. I know when out of balance, surplus getting challenged. Oh no, demand is different, price will always listen. But if it is equal, markets won't tumble. And I don't know why we can't align. Scarcity makes the cost incline. If there's surplus, then baby, I'll trade on supply and demand. It's the invisible hand. Prices rise, prices fall. It's the key to it all. When supply expands, costs take a stand. With demand subdued, buyers elated, but producers lose when goods are created. If demand's too steep, inflation takes a leap. Oh no. Market shift and curve, it's complicated, but equilibrium underrated. And I don't know why we hoard and spend. Booms and busts just cycle again. Find that balance, then baby, I don't ever want this curve to